Welcome you all. Augmented reality. So augmented reality technology apps, the topmost apps which are available. So to create the real world environment. Augmented reality technology is interactive experience to create the real world. For example, beside to us, if we want to make a line, so that line makes like line as well as our face, it will appear and we will create the real environment. So that's what the augmented reality example and how it will work. So we will see the different type of augmented reality technologies, technology apps. So what kind of real worlds we will make? A real world we will make with the computer vision. So by using our smartphones with that too with the cameras. We will see in detail now. If you are not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe now and hit that bell icon. Select all so that you will get all the notifications to watch your future videos. Top the augmented reality apps. 1. BBC Civilization. So the main function of this BBC Civilization app is based on the BBC documentary series called The Civilization. So here we can make the 3D rendering objects using the smartphone. So that is with the different types of artifacts. So artifacts means like olden days images. So you can take that old image and you can create in 3D rendering model, so by using your smartphone. So that's the use of this app, and you can see that you can relocate and you can rotate and you can resize the what kind of artifacts you selected. And also with this app you can make the interactive features like X-ray view, narrations, even origins and history of that particular artifact. So this app is available in Android from the Play Store. You can download directly. So iOS you can download from the Apple Store. 2. Sketch AR, Sketch Augmented Reality. So this augmented reality will make the augmented drawings. So especially, so if you want to make the drawings very properly on your paper or your anywhere if you want to make. So the main function of this Sketch AR is, so it will capture the image, the drawing what you want to make. So then it will project on the paper where you want to draw again. So any kind of difficult drawings also you will make it very easily with this Sketch Augmented Reality app. So this is very helpful for who like the drawings. Mondly, third one, Mondly app. So Mondly app main use is to learn the different kind of languages with a different type of graphic features. So you can learn 33 different type of languages. So based on the selection of your that is augmented reality button, so you will get the different languages, and along with the different languages even you will get the different kind of images that is the virtual reality images, that is real world image realities. Like if you want to make a line beside you, just you can pick that line and you can choose the language which you want to make. So like that kind of so creativity as well as that kind of language learning also you will get very easily with this Mondly. 4. Ink Hunter. So this app is very useful for who love the tattoos on their bodies as well as in different places wherever they like. So this will make the tattoo. So just you can make, for example, if you make one small lines on your hand. So this Ink Hunter having the different kind of images. So that images if you show with your phone by camera. So if you show that lines on your hand which is available, so it will appear the tattoos how it is looks like. That is the real imagination. So how it will be looks like with a different kind of tattoos available on that particular app, and you can whatever the shape you made on your hand, so it will appear directly and it can take as usual the tattoos. So that is the main use of this INK Hunter, that is Ink Hunter. So these are the top apps available in the augmented reality. So if you like this video, please hit that like button, and if you are not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe now and hit that bell icon. So after hitting that bell icon you will get the all, so select all and you will get the all future notifications, so to watch the further videos.